In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-applicant or a co-renter or roommate on Zillow's rental application. This is an important step if you're planning to rent with someone else, be it a friend, partner, or family member, as it ensures that all relevant individuals are accounted for in the rental agreement. First, you'll want to begin your Zillow rental application. This process starts seamlessly when you click on the Apply Now button. Or if you've been requested by a landlord, you might see a Request to Apply link. Either will guide you to the main application page. Once you're on the application page, look for the section labeled Your Household. Here, you'll be asked to indicate the number of adult co-applicants. These are the individuals over the age of 18 who will be joining you on this rental journey. Whether it's just one other person or multiple, be sure to accurately reflect the number of adults who will be applying with you. The next step involves entering the details of each co-applicant. This includes their full name, phone number, and email address. It's important to double-check this information for accuracy, as Zillow will use these details to reach out to your co-applicants directly. Be sure to communicate with your potential roommates beforehand to confirm their contact details so you can avoid any delays or miscommunication in the application process. Once you've finished adding the necessary information, click on the option to confirm that you are done adding co-applicants. With that, Zillow takes over the next part of the process. Each co-applicant will receive an email inviting them to complete their portion of the rental application. It may be helpful to remind your co-applicants to keep an eye on their inbox and check their spam or junk folders just in case for this email to ensure that they don't miss it. It's worth noting that each co-applicant must have their own separate Zillow account to proceed. If any of your co-applicants haven't set up an account yet, they'll need to create one to move forward with the application. Once they log into their accounts, they should follow the link provided in the email. This will direct them to their specific part of the application, which they'll need to fill out to complete their side of the process. And there you have it. You've successfully added a co-applicant on Zillow's rental application. By ensuring every necessary step is meticulously covered, you can smoothly navigate through this part of renting and eliminate potential hurdles down the line. This keeps everything organized, efficient, and collaborative, paving the way for a seamless rental experience together. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your rental journey.